February 2026. Think of it as a month of clarity, momentum, and alignment. This is the month that you are building on from what you started from last month, that is January 2026. You are more likely to define what really matters to you, and it is not out of a matter of an emergency, but what really matters to you, not from whatever matters to other people, but it is melting down to you specifically, because after all, you are the one who knows the desires that you want to achieve, maybe in a month or in a 2 months time or in a year. So we are continuing in terms of where we started. This is a month you want to continue being clear on whatever you want. This is a month that you want to start shedding off some relationships that are not serving you, some situations that are not serving you, whatever you always felt it was as a matter of an emergency. I want you to drop that, and I want you to be as clear as you're supposed to be. Career-wise, relationship-wise, financially, the objectives that you want. And also, like I said in my previous video that I did in January, is that we are not being driven by motivation, but we are being driven by discipline. Because I came to realize that when you are doing whatever you are doing out of motivation, motivation comes and goes. But when you are disciplined, you are very assured whatever you have started, you are going to carry it all the way until you see your desires manifest. So if at all you have been second guessing about what kind of energy that this month of February brings, I came to tell you that this is the best month to transform from uncertainty to certainty. So I want you to choose one thing of whatever have been bringing a lot of doubt, any area in your life that you have been doubting yourself, and I want you to transform it in terms of you can try visualizing on a daily basis. It only takes 5 minutes, because February, it's all about momentum, clarity, and alignment. Hello my awesome people. My name is Elizabeth, and this is my space. I call it Beyond High Life. This is a channel whereby we only talk about nothing else apart from manifesting our dream lives. Always remember, our mind is a powerful tool. Let us create something powerful today. So we are doing about energy update of the month of February in 2026. So this is the month I want you to deepen your confidence. It's a month that, because we have already set a momentum. If at all you have not watched my January energy update, I'll pin it up here. Just go ahead and watch it so that we can continue, because I planned to walk with you, walk with us all the way. I'll be giving an update of every single month according to how angelic guidance comes to me. So this is a month I want you to deepen your confidence. We are no longer living in the hopeful situation, but we have allowed ourselves to not only believe, but to know that whatever we desire in this life, it is possible and for it to be tangible in our lives. But we keep limiting ourselves because there is the traditions of wherever we are coming from. We have been taught we cannot do this. We have been taught you're not good enough. We have been told money does not come on trees. And this is the belief that we have grown in. And so by the time we are coming from hope to believing, to knowing, it really has to take a lot of shedding off of the former things that we have been told, and letting ourselves believe that we are more than capable of believing, knowing, and achieving whatever we want. You're the only person that is limiting yourself. Also, this month of February, I want you to work on meaningful relationship. If you are not careful, people can come in your life. Certain people can come out in your life, and they are going to drain your energy like crazy. Video? Yeah, I'm doing video, Baba. Thank you. Where was I? Yes, and people can really drain your energy if at all you're not careful. So there are people that can come, they can either delay your manifestation, or they can bring you totally out of alignment. Some people can really suck your energy. I came to realize that energy is very expensive. I no longer give it out for free. If at all you're not matching up my energy, which is up here, I'm going to drop you off, because I'm not willing for anybody to sabotage my relationship. So this month, I want you to look deeper inner in your being? Do you have relationships that are actually draining you and removing you from your God-given destiny? If at all they are, respectively, do you understand it is okay to say no without feeling any guilt? This month, when it comes to relationship, be as authentic as you can be it personal wise, be it professionally wise, be it social being wise. Ensure that the people that you have brought into your inner circle, they're the people that are going to help you to get into your manifestation. Because if at all you're not careful, people can, and sometimes you realize people are sucking your energy and they don't actually know that they are actually sucking your energy. But you can always tell after you have been with this person. How do you feel after you have separated with them? When you're having this conversation, when you are talking about your dream life, how are they responding? If at all there are people that are bringing a lot of negativity, because I also came to realize there are some people that you can share whatever you are about to achieve in life, and all they do is that they are also going to introduce a lot of luck into your equation. And also, this is a month whereby we are grounding productivity. I want you to be as focused as you can, because whether you like it or not, you are always manifesting. I want you to be grounded. I want you to be moved out of discipline, not out of motivation. Be grounded. Don't settle for less. You know, it's like how a plant allows itself to go deep down for it to gain roots, so that whatever it's going to give out, because if at all your roots are so deep and they're so rooted, whatever you're going to give out here, it's something that is going to be so beautiful, something that is going to be accepted. Always remember, it all starts from our mental capacity. I want you in this month to be so careful of the things that you are listening to, of the talks that is coming out of your mouth, the people that you have allowed in your equation. What are you eating? Because everything has a vibration. And if at all you're not aligned, remember, like I said, this is a month of clarity, alignment, and momentum. So the train has already left the station. I want you to catch up with it, because sometimes why we feel split energy, it's because of why you are not headed in the same direction as your desire is headed. So that is why the source and the universe deep within you, they understand that your manifestation is here, but you yourself, you're here. You are not headed in the same direction of your manifestation. And no matter how you feel, the source that is deep within you, the Holy Spirit, the God, the universe, whatever you want to call it, there is no way it's going to bow down to come and suit you, because they already know the kind of energy, the kind of power, the kind of dynamite power that you hold when it comes to manifest your reality. We create our reality whether you like it or not. So in this month of February, I am urging you, let clarity guide you, be aligned with your desire, and also catch up with the momentum of your desires. So I am going to give you like a challenge this month. I want you on a daily basis, when you wake up, the first thing that you are going to try, I'm challenging you to visualize daily on whatever you want. And by this time, you have already set up like you can write 3 intentions, maybe quarterly, annually, half an year, a month, you know, whatever, weekly. Just write whatever you want, like 3 priorities that you want to. And then you have to visualize on a daily basis. It's all up to you, you know. If I told you desire and you want it so much, you are going to do it. Visualize on a daily basis, 2 to 3 minutes, or whenever you are free, whenever you're in a position to catch whatever you want in your mind's eye, go ahead, visualize it, and then go ahead with your day. Also have some affirmations that really work for you. And I always say, don't affirm when you're outside the vortex. If you do that, you're only going to introduce a lot of resistance. Once again, you have to ensure that you are inside the vortex for you to be in alignment with whatever is coming out of your mind. So let me bring my video to a close right there. It was just a brief or a long video on the energy and the things that we expect in this month of February. Your manifestations, it's all unto you. From the time you want a desire to the time it manifests, time is just an illusion. It is all entirely on you. So switch off your mind and switch it on in terms of what you want to manifest in this month of February or this year of 2026. So as I log off, don't leave without subscribing, sharing, and liking. As always, keep your energy high, and the universe, God, will meet you there. Namaste.